Welcome to our channel. M&T Bank's virtual card feature provides a secure way to shop online without exposing your primary account details. Here's how to activate this convenient payment method. Step 1. Open your preferred web browser and go to the official M&T Bank website. Make sure you're on the secure site by checking for HTTPS in the URL. Step 2. Click on the Sign In button and enter your online banking username and password. Complete any additional security verification like answering challenge questions. Step 3. Navigate to the Accounts or Credit Cards section from the main menu after logging into your account dashboard. Step 4. Look for an option labeled Virtual Card, Digital Card, or e-card within your credit card or checking account options. Step 5. Select Create Virtual Card or Activate Virtual Card. You may need to agree to terms and conditions specific to virtual card usage. Step 6. Set your virtual card preferences, including spending limits, expiration date, and which merchants can use it. These settings enhance security for online transactions. Step 7. Review the virtual card number generated for you, along with its expiration date and security code. Save this information securely or take note of it. Step 8. Your virtual card is now active and ready for online shopping. Use these details just like a physical card when making purchases on websites. You can manage or deactivate the virtual card anytime through your M&T Bank account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.